I'm Matt.
And I'm Jackie.
And we've got 2 young children, and this is our pretty typical 3-bedroom suburban house in New Zealand. You're so busy as a parent, particularly with young children, and especially more than one, that there's always something else to do, you know? There's always something that you're focused on doing and getting done. Securing your home for earthquake safety, it might seem pretty daunting at first, but actually when you get down to it, it's actually pretty easy. It doesn't take long at all.
No, I mean, you took the kids to the store and bought all the things.
Yeah.
Came back and...
Sort of 25 minutes later, it was done.
Yeah.
I think when you finally get all of the major stuff done, you do feel like you're that little bit more prepared.
You feel like you've made your children safe. You feel like that they have a safe place to be, and you've made that for them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just being that little bit more prepared kind of makes you think, yeah, I'm pretty happy about that.
I must be doing it right.
Yeah.